You wipe down your sink every night after dishes, and it still looks dull and stained by morning, like the scrubbing never actually happened. That's not your sponge failing you. It's because standard dish soap cleans surface grime, but does nothing to the mineral deposits and bacterial film bonded directly to the basin material itself. There are 4 ways to actually break that bond instead of just wiping over it, and the cheapest one costs about 30 cents using a bottle sitting under your sink right now. The oldest chemical process behind it dates back over a century. Stay with me to the end, because I'm walking through exactly what gets your sink looking new again. Sink cleaner and scrub brands profit from formulas built for daily surface wiping, not the mineral and bacterial buildup that actually causes dullness and staining over time, which is why your sink looks the same no matter how often you clean it. Hydrogen peroxide's oxidizing power has been used industrially since the early 1900s, and that's exactly the kind of one-ingredient, permanent fix a multi-billion-dollar cleaning product industry has no incentive to point you toward. Fix number 1. Hydrogen peroxide soak, 30 cents per treatment from a $2 bottle. Line your sink basin with paper towels. Saturate them fully with 3% hydrogen peroxide. Let sit for 30 minutes. The peroxide's oxidizing reaction breaks down mineral deposits and organic staining at a molecular level, a process refined industrially since hydrogen peroxide production scaled in the early 20th century. Remove the towels and you'll see visible brightening on stainless steel, porcelain, and composite basins alike. Fix number 2. Hydrogen peroxide and baking soda paste, 25 cents per application. Mix 3 tablespoons baking soda with 2 tablespoons hydrogen peroxide into a thick paste. Scrub directly onto stained areas with a soft sponge. Focus on the drain area and faucet base, where buildup concentrates most. The combined fizzing reaction lifts hardened mineral crust that peroxide alone can't fully dissolve, especially around hard water rings that have set for months. Here's the mistake almost everyone makes: scrubbing with steel wool on stainless steel sinks. That leaves microscopic scratches that actually trap more grime and bacteria going forward, making your sink dirtier faster with every single use. Stick to a soft sponge or soft bristle brush instead. Fix number 3. Hydrogen peroxide spray for daily maintenance, 5 cents per use from 1 bottle lasting months. Keep a spray bottle of straight 3% peroxide by the sink and mist the basin after washing dishes each night. Wipe with a cloth after 5 minutes. This nightly habit prevents new mineral bonding from restarting the buildup cycle, keeping your sink at its cleaned baseline rather than sliding back to dull within days. Fix number 4. Hydrogen peroxide on grout and caulking, 20 cents per treatment, for the sink's edges where mold commonly develops. Apply directly with a cotton swab or small brush along grout lines and caulk seams. Let sit 20 minutes before rinsing. Peroxide's antibacterial action kills the mold spores, causing black or pink discoloration in these seams, an area regular sink cleaner typically skips entirely. This won't reverse deep scratches or etching that's already damaged the sink's surface material. That requires refinishing, not cleaning. Peroxide can also discolor certain colored composite sinks, so always test on a small hidden area first, before treating the whole basin. Under $1 total for every method combined, versus $10 to $15 per bottle of specialty sink cleaner, you'll rebuy every month with fading results. If this finally gave your sink a real fix, hit that like button. It tells me what to break down next. Subscribe if you want more of these. Drop a comment telling me what kind of sink you've got and which method you're trying first. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. Stay sharp out there.